There's just something magical about pine cones in winter, isn't there? They capture that cozy, earthy feeling of the season. Nature's own little ornaments waiting to be transformed. Watching these simple cones turn into elegant winter decor feels like pure calm after a long day. The textures, the sparkle, the soft neutral tones, it's like bringing a piece of the forest indoors. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, setting up a rustic table centerpiece, or just crafting to unwind, pine cone DIYs never disappoint. They remind us that beauty doesn't need to be bought. It's all around us, waiting for a little imagination. So grab some pine cones, a bit of twine, maybe a touch of white paint, and let winter's magic do the rest. Follow Craftly for more heartwarming seasonal crafts and home decor inspirations. There's just something magical about pine cones in winter, isn't there? They capture that cozy, earthy feeling of the season. Nature's own little ornaments waiting to be transformed. Watching these simple cones turn into elegant winter decor feels like pure calm after a long day. The textures, the sparkle, the soft neutral tones, it's like bringing a piece of the forest indoors. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, setting up a rustic table centerpiece, or just crafting to unwind, pine cone DIYs never disappoint. They remind us that ever wondered what a spark of creativity can do with ordinary things? This video is proof that imagination is the only tool you really need. A plastic tub becomes a planter with personality. A cardboard box? Now it's a stylish organizer. Old spoons turn into blooming wall art. Leftover rope weaves into rustic beauty. And bottle caps, yes, even those, become dazzling candle stands. It's not about having the fanciest tools. It's about seeing the magic in the mess. These 5 DIYs remind us, creativity isn't bought, it's built. From scrap to stunning, every idea here proves that your hands, and a little vision, can transform anything. Want more of these smart, satisfying creations? Follow Craftly vibes and let your space tell your story. Wait, what are they making for that wall? This started with just a few random pieces and suddenly, it's becoming art, minimal, earthy, and so balanced. This isn't your average wall decor. It's giving luxury on a budget, and I'm here for it. That texture, that symmetry. You'd think this came from a high-end interior studio. But nope, handmade, and honestly way more impressive. Who needs to shop expensive when you can create this? If this doesn't inspire you to try a wall makeover, I don't know what will. Follow for more clever DIY transformations.